Web development broadly refers to the task related to your web applications or web pages. It basically adds up life to your otherwise ordinary web page. Hi everyone, welcome to this full course session on web development. This will give you a complete crash course and let you know everything that you need to know about web development. But before we begin, let's have a look at today's agenda. So first we will begin with the basic language that you need for web development, that is HTML. And then we will move on and learn how to add more styles to your web applications with the help of CSS. Next up, we will move on to the JavaScript programming language that will help you know how you can add more motions to your web pages. Now once you're well versed with these programming languages for web development, you need to know about the jQuery library. And then we will move on to the different front-end frameworks. To begin with, we will learn about the Angular 8 framework and then we will move on to React.js. Now once we are done with the front-end part, we will move on to the back-end and have a look at Node.js. Now once we are done with all these frameworks, we will move on to applications such as the MeanStack application and then the MERNStack application. Now that you're well versed with all of these programming languages and their frameworks, we will see how to become a full-stack web developer. But before this, don't forget to subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and stay connected.
Hi folks, my name is Arya and I welcome you all to